Hello everyone, in this lab we are going to see how to configure a default gateway for the PC2 and PC3. Okay, note that all the other devices are already configured. We'll also test the connectivity. First we will start to send the echo message to the PC3 to see what happened. The PC3 has the IP address ping 172.116.1.3. As you can see, there is no reachability with the two PC, and we'll see why there is no connectivity with the two PC. Request time out. Okay, there is no. The PC1 cannot ping the PC3. Why? Let's check what happened. We said that the PC1 has already been configured. Okay, and now let's check with the PC3 what happens. We can see that the PC3 has already an IP address but no default gateway. This means that there is no way to connect to the PC2 from another network. Okay, now let's use the same command ping between the PC1 and the PC2 to see what will happen. Ping 10.10.1.12. Okay, here the PC1 communicate with the PC2, and if we look at the PC2, there is no default gateway for the PC2. And the question should be why PC1 is able to connect the PC2, because it's in the same network with the same subnet. That's why they don't need a router to communicate, because that's in the same network. Okay, but let's fix the PC3 to see. Let's give it an default gateway, and the default gateway should be the IP address of the port on the router connected to the network. In this case, it's this IP address. Okay, now let's see what we'll have. We can call back the ping command. Okay, now there is a reply because the PC3 has now an IP address. Then the PC2 knows the way to communicate with him to this IP a default gateway address. Okay, now we have seen that there is no default gateway for the PC2. Okay, now from the PC2 let's ping the PC3. It's unreachable because there is no default gateway set on the PC2. That's why it can't communicate with a different device on another network. You can see there is no reply. Now let's give the PC2 an default gateway to see what will happen. .1. That's the IP address of router's device connected to the network. Okay, which is 10.10.1.1. Okay, now let's try to ping again the PC3. You can call back the command. Okay, now there is a reply. Okay, without default gateway, different networks can't communicate. Okay, we can also try to ping this loopback address, which is the loopback address can be any networks through internet. For labs we can use only the loopback address to test without setting another network here. Okay, we can just try to ping it. is in the different networks 192.168.1.100 reply from. Okay, if you set a loopback address, it is a virtual interface, and it can represent a different network from anywhere. Okay, that's why sometimes we use it to test the connectivity instead of designing another network. That's all for this stuff. This channel is totally free. Please like and subscribe to motivate us to make more videos.